girl. We just had our finals like 2-3 weeks ago, and so this is my last week of like freedom before I start my internship. I had the bright idea of let me go ahead and film like a week in the life of a bored college student on summer break. So yeah, I was just like, you know, there's a few things that I do, some stuff like going to the gym and like do days of my life or something like that. So I probably will just film like a few days out of my week. I already went to the gym this morning. I should have filmed that, but I wasn't thinking. Like today in the gym, I mainly just did cardio and abs. I'm not gonna lie, I low-key kind of BS'd on the abs. You know, I don't know what it was. Like I just wasn't feeling it. I don't know if it was because of the waist trainer that I'm wearing or what, but I was just like, I don't feel like doing abs right now, but I know I need to. So I did like some planks, and then these weighted crunches and weighted Russian twist. Like 30 to 40 minutes of skating. For those who don't know, your girl loves to skate. Y'all gonna be seeing me skate a lot this week because like I really don't know what to do in my life right now. Like I'm just like, it's like a resting season, but like, you know when you rest for a little bit too long, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like if I rest for too long, I'm like, dang, like am I just throwing away my life? Like these last 2 weeks, I literally just been like, I've been chilling for real. All right, okay, girl, so we're done. So the book that I use, just in case you're wondering, is called The Bible in 52 Weeks. It's a year-long Bible study for women, and this book has helped me so much stay like consistent with reading the Bible, because like out of my 22 years of living, I'm like, I've never read the Bible like for myself. Like yeah, I know like little scriptures here and there, but like I've never like sat down and actually read the Bible. So like this has helped me so much, like staying consistent. Every week she gives us like different books to read, and then like she'll also give us like little prompts and stuff. So like usually you have day 1 through 7. Day 7 is like, you know, a catch-up day. Anyways, girlies, so we made it to Walmart, and I'm looking for laundry detergent. There we go. So this isn't my regular Walmart, so I don't know where nothing is at. I'm like, where's this at? Where's that? I'm gonna grab the stuff to make chicken Alfredo, and then she also wanted French toast for breakfast tomorrow. So I was like, you know, I could do some French toast with some fruit or something. So that's what we're gonna grab now. Whoa, I don't know who told me getting leather. Oh my goodness, it's hot. It's hot. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Girl, it's 91 degrees outside. It definitely feels like it. That's all. It's hot. I think I said this in an earlier clip, but I had no idea where anything was in this Walmart. Like I was walking around like a freaking chicken with my head cut off. Like oh my goodness. Oh my God. Girl, these little rocks be trying to take me out. Anyways, but good morning. So I decided to start my day off with some skating. Hey girly, welcome back for another day. I don't know if I put like what we're doing today for today's little agenda or whatever, but I just got done washing my car and returning some stuff that I bought from Temu, and I just went ahead and went to the Up store, returned the Ups store. I went to the Up store and I returned it, did my little Bible study for the day, went to the gym. So today's been such a productive day so far, and I still have a few more hours before I have to go get my little brother from school. So I'm thinking probably just go like to Ross, because I did say yesterday that I wanted to go to Ross or somewhere to see about some button-up shirts for my internship. And I got some time to spare before I have to go pick up my little brother. finally my hair has poofed out, because earlier when it was wet, it was giving boneless. It was giving straight on. It was giving Jerry curl. I was like, where is the volume? Where, please help. So I fluffed out my my puff just a little bit. So like I said, just went to Ross and stuff. Oh my goodness, I used Eco Styler and Got to Be Glue. It was the spray, okay, not too much, not actual glue on my hair, but I used a spray just to hold the curl in place. And so like it's literally flaking everywhere because I just poofed it out. I was so tempted to go get something to eat, but I was like, girl, no, we got food at the house, because me and my little sister just cooked yesterday. So I was like, girl, you bet not, you bet not. I read some of the emails that I had got from my internship, and basically I'll be in financial quantitative analytics. I don't know what that is. That sounds hard. like I kid you not, every time that I get an internship or the more that I learn about finance, I'm like, this is a job? This is what you can do this? Like, I learn so much every day versus like, you know, the basic Google search of like finance stuff that you could do. Like, no, like throughout my internship, especially last year, like I was like, this is fine. What? I feel like I really wish I would have like ask more questions. That's one thing. Like, if you have an internship, and I want to do like, I actually, hold on, I might drop a whole series about internships, what to do, how to, like, girl, like I might do a whole like finance, you know, Black girl in finance internship, you know, series. If that's something that you're interested in, girl, let me know. Oh my god, I'm so excited, like, just to make some content, take you along on my journey with me. Like, you know, we go through this together, learn a little stuff, hopefully. You know, we learning together for real. Like, if that's one thing that this channel is gonna be, is like, we're literally just like, we're just girls, like we're just learning every day. Like, this is our first time at this life stuff. Like, you know, we learning as we go, especially with social media as a whole. Like, everybody's on the whole like self-love, self-care, self-improvement journey, and I love that for everybody. And I was like, you know what, I also want to document my journey too, and like, you know, tap in with the girlies, tap in with my girlies. It's definitely a journey, and like I said, just making some more like, you know, finance content, school content, personal development, personal growth, my glow up journey. Like, I'm literally just so excited for it all. Like, it's just a little rant. Oh, hold on, my little brother's here. Hold on, wait. Hi, camera. Yeah, I never got to show you. Yesterday we made some chicken Alfredo. It was really, really good. I'm making me a bowl of cereal. Me and my little sister, we're gonna cook later on. But yeah, today's been really a chill day. I haven't really done much. I went to Ross because the clothes that I had bought yesterday, I didn't really like the way that they looked. Like, they weren't giving the professional look that I wanted. So, ooh, why my hair look boneless? What the heck? Anyways, but yeah, it wasn't giving the look that I wanted. So I went ahead and I returned that. Went to Walmart, grabbed a few more things. And now I'm chilling with my little brother. Today was kind of not the most productive day, I'm not gonna lie. I literally laid in the bed all day today, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I didn't really do much. Me and my little sister are gonna cook later on. She wanted breakfast for dinner, so we're gonna make French toast, bacon, and stuff. I think I'm gonna go buy some shampoo and conditioner, because I've been putting a lot of gel in my hair and it's been flaking everywhere. Chicken from Walmart. It is currently Thursday. As you can see, we're back in the crib. We back in the crib. Yeah, girl, today is definitely a lot more better than yesterday. Woke up on time, got out of bed. So now I'm gonna head to the gym, do a good little leg day, because I didn't do cardio yesterday, so I'm gonna do cardio and leg day together. So I gotta go twice as hard, unfortunately. Look at this, girl, look at this. Hello. Today I'm gonna go get some pimple patches or something from Walmart. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we gotta figure out something. You know what I'm saying? Because this not cute. I gotta up my water intake, something. But yeah. I went to the gym and then I cleaned out my little, so I have all my hair products in here and in some in my closet, So I just went ahead and reorganized some of that because it was starting to get a little bit too much over there. And then I also flat ironed my hair, but now it just looks like I blow dried it. It's not giving flat ironed. Put on some pimple patches because, oh, this one is ready to, oh, should we take it off together? Is that something that you're interested in? I don't know. Let's see. Should I take it off? Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, she was ready to pop. My back is longer than my front, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the back. So that's what my back currently looks like. And I just kind of want to cut it so that way it's all kind of like even. Ah, I don't know. Okay, fuck it. I'm just gonna do it because I'm tired of it being like super thin in the back. From what I can tell, most of my hair is about like right here. Oh my goodness. Yo, what the fuck? I just cut my hair. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Oh, I guess I'm giving myself like a little makeshift bob. I really cut my hair off. Jesus. My hair finna be under a wig anyway, so it's not like we finna notice. I don't want it to cut it too much, but I feel like it's probably gonna be uneven as hell. Jesus. Oh well. Oh my goodness, it's uneven. Look at all this hair. Look at all this hair. Oh, you can't even see it. Look at all this hair. I just cut. Oh, wait, no, I think it's pretty even. What you think? Nope, this side is okay, girl. So I just cut my hair, which started off as a little trim, and now it is. Hey girly. But I went to the gym. I also braided down my hair. As you can see, we cut it yesterday and I cut a lot of hair. I'm gonna probably put some videos like before, but I went ahead and I did my hair. I just laid it down. I didn't really do like anything to it. Just right now I'm giving myself an at-home little spa day. I paint my toes again. I had them painted like 3 weeks ago. So I was just like, you know what, I could redo my toes, and then I'm also doing my nails too. I'm also gonna be watching a movie. So I have a little projector in my room, so when the lights are off. Good morning, girly. Another chill Saturday. Literally just been in the house just chilling for a Hey girly, so today is Sunday, the last day of this vlog. I was gonna make it yesterday, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make it today. So can you see the vision? You see what I'm saying? I don't know. Anyway, so I was supposed to give like sporty girl. But y'all, guess who I'm with? Some vibes there. So this is my best friend like from like childhood for real. Like, but yeah, girl. So we out here. We gonna play some tennis. We got a tennis ball. Challenger style. Facts. I haven't even seen the movie, but hopefully one of these days I'll go see it. But okay. Okay, period. Out here